Taxes are supposed to be the great equalizer, the system that ensures everyone contributes their fair share. But the reality is far from fair. While the average person loses a significant portion of their paycheck to taxes, the ultra-wealthy have mastered a legal system that allows them to pay almost nothing. This is not by accident. It is a silent tax war, and the wealthy are playing by a different set of rules, rules designed to benefit them while keeping the rest of society trapped in a never-ending cycle of taxation. So how do they do it? And more importantly, can you use the same strategies to your advantage? Let's uncover the truth behind how the rich legally avoid taxes and what you can learn from them. The myth of high taxes for the wealthy. You have probably heard politicians talk about increasing taxes on the rich, but in reality, high-income individuals often pay a lower percentage of their wealth than middle-class workers. Why? Because the tax code is designed to tax income, not wealth. Most people make money through salaries and wages, which are heavily taxed. The wealthy, however, generate money through investments, assets, and tax loopholes, allowing them to legally reduce their tax bills to near zero. Strategies the wealthy use to avoid taxes. Here are 5 legal ways the wealthy pay little to no taxes. 1. Borrowing against assets instead of selling. Wealthy individuals do not sell their investments for cash because that would trigger capital gains taxes. Instead, they use their stocks, real estate, and businesses as collateral to take out low-interest loans, giving them millions in tax-free money. Since loans are not considered income, they are not taxable. This means billionaires can live lavishly without ever technically earning a salary. 2. The secret of real estate tax shelters. Real estate is one of the most powerful tax havens for the wealthy. Through strategies like depreciation deductions and 1031 exchanges, they can write off property depreciation to reduce taxable income, defer taxes indefinitely by swapping properties without selling, use interest deductions to lower reported income. This allows them to build wealth through real estate while avoiding massive tax bills. 3. The power of offshore accounts and tax havens. The world's elite do not keep all their money in their home country. They use offshore bank accounts, shell companies, and international trusts in places like the Cayman Islands and Switzerland to legally shelter their wealth. These jurisdictions have low or zero taxes, allowing them to keep their money growing without government interference. For everyday people, this might seem out of reach, but there are legal international investment options that can provide similar benefits. 4. The foundation and charity loophole. Many billionaires establish private foundations or donate money to charities, often ones they create. This allows them to deduct large portions of their income from taxes, keep control of their wealth while reducing tax liability, pass down money to future generations without estate taxes. While charity is important, many ultra-wealthy individuals use these foundations as personal piggy banks that legally shield their fortune. 5. The corporate tax dodge. Most of the wealthy do not pay taxes as individuals, they pay taxes as corporations. By setting up LLCs, S-corp, and trusts, they can reduce their taxable income through business deductions, pay lower tax rates on corporate earnings, write off expenses like travel, cars, and even meals as business costs. This is why many entrepreneurs and investors build businesses instead of working jobs. The tax code rewards business owners far more than employees. Why the government allows this? If these strategies are legal, why does the government not close these loopholes? Simple. The wealthy influence the system. Through lobbying, political donations, and economic influence, they ensure tax laws continue to work in their favor. While the middle class pays taxes on every paycheck, the wealthy use these legal strategies to keep their money growing. The result? An ever-widening wealth gap where the rich get richer while everyday workers struggle under heavy taxation. Can you use these strategies? Most people assume these tax benefits are only for billionaires, but that is not entirely true. Here are 3 ways you can start legally reducing your tax burden today. 1. Invest instead of just earning. Shift your focus from earning a paycheck to building assets. Stocks, real estate, and businesses have far more tax advantages than salaries. 2. Start a business. Even a small side business can unlock massive tax deductions, helping you legally reduce what you owe. 3. Use retirement and tax-advantaged accounts. Accounts like Roth IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs allow you to grow wealth with little to no taxes. The key is to play the game strategically, just like the wealthy do. The silent tax war is real. While most people work harder just to pay more taxes, the wealthy have mastered the legal strategies that allow them to build wealth without giving half of it away. It is not about breaking the rules, it is about learning how the system works and using it to your advantage. Now that you know the truth, what will you do with it? Subscribe for more financial insights, and start building your wealth the smart way.